BusyKid Fintech honest review. Watch before using. Most people get financial apps for kids wrong. They assume they are just digital piggy banks. The surprising truth about BusyKid is that it teaches real-world money management through earning, saving, giving, and spending, and you won't believe how practical it is for kids and teens. Here's how it works. Parents set up chores and allowances through the BusyKid app. Kids earn money for completing tasks, which they can split into saving, spending, or giving to charity. The app includes a debit card for spending, investing options for older kids, and real-time tracking for parents. For example, a 12-year-old can earn allowance for weekly chores, save for a desired item, and even invest in real companies with parental oversight. Most people get this wrong. They think financial literacy apps are boring, but BusyKid gamifies learning and gives kids real financial responsibility. Additional features include automated allowances, peer-to-peer transfers, and secure parental controls. Users praise its educational value, ease of use, and ability to teach kids the value of money early. However, there are considerations. Some investing features require older children and parental supervision. Most people assume digital allowances don't teach responsibility. BusyKid emphasizes real financial decisions and accountability. In conclusion, BusyKid is ideal for parents who want to teach kids practical money skills while allowing them to manage and grow their own finances in a safe environment. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fintech tools for families.